Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am back with more Indian vegetarian recipes, and this one now we're going to go to the south, and I believe this one is from Kerala, so if I'm wrong just correct me in the comments. And this one is I believe it's Lauki curry or something like that. It's actually restaurant style as well, so smooth and creamy and spicy, and it's great flavor. So every time I try something new in like the Indian cuisine, because it's so rich in terms of the cuisine and the culture, I keep getting more amazed and I keep loving it even more. So it's one of the cuisines that I definitely want to invest in, and like I want to just keep exploring it even more. So this recipe is super easy to make. It's creamy, delicious, heavenly. So, and it's also super easy to make, so let's show you guys how to make it. For this recipe here, we have half bottle ground or ground bottle, or what they call Lauki, I believe. This one we need half of it. Here we have 2 medium onions that are finely chopped because we want the gravy to be smooth and silky. 2 medium tomatoes blended. 2 chilies, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, a cup of coconut milk, 2-3 tablespoons coconut oil, and for the spices, whole spices, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon mustard seeds. And for our other spices, we have of course salt and pepper. And here we have half a teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala, cumin and chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. So our first step is, in our cooking pot, we're going to add some of the oil. And we're going to wait for it to heat up a little. Now we're going to add our whole spices, and we'll saute them a little bit. We're going to add the curry leaves. And we're going to saute them for a little bit. And now we're going to add the onions and chilies. We're going to add the chilies, and we're going to saute them until we see that the color has changed a little bit. As you can see, the color has changed, and we haven't added anything, but it already smells amazing with all the coconut oil and all of that. So now we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. And like usual, we're going to saute them until we don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore. So now we're going to add in the tomatoes, and we'll just saute those as well. So now we're going to add spices, so salt, pepper, our spices, and we'll mix all of this together. So you just saute the masala really well, and now we're going to add this, and we're going to mix it. So once you mix your Lauki with the masala and everything, we're going to add the equivalence of half a cup of water so that our Lauki cooks, and we'll just give it a nice gentle mix. And we're going to cover it now. Going to let it cook, and after you hear 3 whistles, I guess, those annoying sounds that this cooking thing produces. So once you hear 3, we're going to just check on it and see if it's cooked. So we've added about 2 more whistles, and as you can see, it is nice and cooked. It's soft as well. So now we're going to add the coconut milk. And we'll give it a mix and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. So this is what it looks like after, of course, we served it alongside some chapati, and here's what it looks like. It looks really nice. It smells amazing. All those spices. It's smooth and creamy. So I can't wait to try it. So let's take a big bite. Wow, it's 100 times better than I actually expected it to be. I knew it would taste good, but it's far better than I ever thought about. So it's smooth and creamy and silky, and it tastes really great with all those spices, and then you have the coconut milk, and that adds some creaminess to it. And it's great textures, great flavors. It tastes absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend everyone to make this. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.